Good noon to everyone. Today discuss about in the mass transfer operation 1 unit number 2 molecular diffusion in fluid માં આપણે જોઈશું molecular અને eddy diffusions. Okay, this is the most important definition in GT exam and also mid-sem exam. Now start. When the diffusion result from the random movement and motion of the molecule, it is called the molecular diffusion. As the molecular diffusion requires actual migration of molecules and the rate of mass transfer is higher in gases than liquid and very slow in a fluid. When the movement of the molecules occurs with the help of an external forces, for example mechanical straining and convective movement of the fluid also, then it is called eddy or turbulent diffusion. Okay, now the molecular diffusion is a slow process, एकदम slow process છે, and where the eddy diffusion is a fast process. The molecular diffusion is the mechanism of a stationary fluid, a fluid at rest and fluid in laminar flow. In case of the fluid in turbulent flow, the mechanism of mass transfer is by eddy diffusion, and the transfer of material is the presence of a concentration gradient. Is classified as a molecular transfer, eddy diffusion, and eddy transfer. The molecular transfer of mass occurs in a stationary fluid. Okay, અમુક લેમિનાર ફ્લો કેવો હોય? ત્રણ ટાઈપનો ફ્લો આવે: લેમિનાર ફ્લો, ટ્રાન્ઝિશન ફ્લો અને ટર્બ્યુલન્ટ ફ્લો. This is a straight line flow. This is a laminar flow. Turbulent flow is a wave wise and a dotted line is a transition flow. Now, what is the role of diffusion in a mass transfer? The diffusion mainly occurs in a one phase only. Okay, simply interface of this is a simply liquid phase and a gas phase. Now bypass to this film. So what is the interface of mass transfer? Any flow to devise the liquid and a gas flow for a CAI input to CAO in the output. Okay, this is the equations. Now the diffusion mainly occurs in the phase or in both phases. All mass transfer operation, in case of the distillation, the more volatile component diffused through the liquid phase to interface of the mass transfer. Phase liquid and vapor, and away from the interface into the vapor phase also. The less volatile component diffuses in the opposite directions. Simply જે રીતે તમે ફ્લો ડિવાઇસ કરો છો ફોર અ ક્લોકવાઇઝ એન્ડ એન્ટી ક્લોકવાઇઝ ફોર અ માસ ટ્રાન્સફર. Okay. In case of a gas absorption, the solute gas diffused through the gas phase to the interface and then through the liquid phase also. The liquid solvent phase from the interface between the phases. In case of the crystallization, the solid solute diffuses through the mother liquid phase to crystal and deposit on the solid surfaces. In case of drying operation, liquid water moisture content जो हो ये ना बापते diffuse through the solid water the surface of the solid and evaporates and diffuses as a vapor into the gas phase drying medium. In case of liquid extraction, the liquid solute diffuses through the raffinate phase and then into the extract phase from the interface between the phases. Okay, again repeated part. What is a molecular diffusion and eddy diffusion? Simply, first of all, the important point molecular diffusion જોઈશું આપણે this one to this one. Okay, simply molecular diffusion यानी कि movement અને motion બંને વસ્તુ તમારે યાદ રાખવાનું. Okay, when diffusion, random movement and motion of the molecules is called a molecular diffusion. As the molecular diffusion requires actual migration or molecules. Now the rate of mass transfer, simply molecular diffusion in fluid in a mass transfer operation 1. Okay, the role of diffusion in a mass transfer. સિમ્પલી બેઝિસ પર જો આપણે ટુ ફેઝિસ ઇન્ટરફેઝિસ માટે લિક્વિડ અને ગેસ ફેઝિસ ક્લિયર. નાવ ધ મોલિક્યુલર ડિફ્યુઝન્સ, સમ કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન, વેલોસિટીઝ અને ફ્લક્સીસના ડેફિનેશન આપણે ડિટેલમાં ડિસ્કસ કરીશું. Main repeated part for this is the role of diffusion in a mass transfer. Diffusion maybe occurs in one phase or in both phases in all the mass transfer operations. In case of distillation, the more volatile component diffuses through the liquid phase to the interface between the phases, liquid and vapor phases, and away from the interface into the vapor phase. The less volatile component diffuses in the opposite direction and passes from the vapor phases to the liquid phase. In case of gas absorption, the solute gas diffuses through the gas phases to the interface and through the liquid phase. Liquid solvent from the interface between the phases. In case of a crystallization, the solid solute diffuses through the mother liquid phase to the crystalline and the deposit on the solid surfaces. In case of a drying operation, the liquid water moisture content diffuses through the solid surfaces and the surfaces solid evaporators and diffuses as a vapor into the gas phases. Drying medium, in case of liquid extraction, the liquid solute diffuses the raffinate phase and then into the extract phase. Solvent phase from the interface between the any phases. Okay, what is the part of the molecular diffusion? Some concentration, velocities and fluxes. જે આપણે ડેફિનેશન નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં ડિસ્કસ કરીશું. મેન થોડોક રિવિઝન પાર્ટ જોઈએ આપણે. વોટ ઇઝ ધ ડિફ્યુઝન પાર્ટ? ધીસ વન. In a mixture consisting of two or more components, if the concentration of the component varying from the points and the actual tendency for each component to move from regions of high concentration to the low concentration is called as the mass transfer operation. The simple process of transfer of mass as a result of the concentration differences and of a component in a mixture or two phase in contact is called mass transfer. Okay, simply the what is the operation? The operations carried out for separating from the component of mixtures and involving the transfer of the material one homogeneous phases to another. Okay, simply utilizing the differences in a vapor pressure, solubility or diffusivity, and in which the driving forces for a transfer is a concentration differences are called as a mass transfer operation. In case of evaporation of water from the pool of water into a stream of air flowing over the water surfaces, and a molecule of water vapor diffuses through those of the air at the surface into the main portion of air stream, as a result of which they are carried away with the air flowing. In case mass transfer is the result of a concentration differences or gradient, the diffusing substances moving from a region of a high concentration to a region of a low concentration, and hence the driving force for a mass transfer is the concentration differences, just difference temperature. Okay, temperature differences in the heat transfer. For a fractional distillation, one of the method of separation depend on the differences also in a vapor pressure of different component at the same temperature. Some volatility while gas absorption depend on the differences also is the solubility of gases in a liquid solvent. Mass transfer operation include separation technique as a distillation part. Now the continue part, in a mass transfer operation of mass transfer may be occurs in one direction, for example gas absorption, and one opposite directions for both directions of the part of the distillation, જે ગેસ અને લિક્વિડ ફેઝમાં આવશે સેપરેશન પાર્ટ માટે. વિથ સિમિલ્ટેનિયસ હીટ ટ્રાન્સફર, ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ ટ્રાયંગ અને ક્રિસ્ટલાઇઝેશન માટે. With a simultaneous chemical reactions, for example gas absorption accompanied by a chemical reactions. The phenomena those must be exist in a mass transfer operation are at least two phases must come in a contact with each other. The material must flow from one phase to the other phases. A part of total flow of mechanical must be occurs by a molecular diffusion. Okay. In a mass transfer operation have been classified according to the phase in a contact as given in table 7.1, and a liquid and vapor gases for a part of the distillation, gas absorption, stripping section, humidification, dehumidifications. अलग अलग पॉइंट આપેલા છે. લિક્વિડ સોલિડ માટે જોઈએ તો ક્રિસ્ટલાઇઝેશન, લીચિંગ ઓપરેશન, એડઝોર્પ્શન, liquid liquid extraction, solid vapor sublimation, solid gas adsorption, solid gas is a drying operation. Hence the distillation part in a gas absorption, stripping a liquid liquid operation. The liquid extraction is a liquid liquid operation માટે જોઈશું આપણે ડિટેલ. Now the part is distillation, the gas liquid operation. It is a method of separating the components of a liquid mixture using thermal energy. The differences in a vapor pressure of a different component is responsible for such a separation. It is also called as a fractionation or fractionation distillation part. Okay, simply there is a phase rule, F is equal to C minus P plus 2, which component is a temperature and a pressure variable as well. For a composition of A in the liquid and vapor phases, if the pressure is fixed and according to the phase rule only one variable, for example જોઈએ તો liquid phase ના concentration માટે અને varied and the temperature and vapor phases concentration follows, and thus the system is defined completely procedures. Okay, equation याद रखो, F is equal to C minus P plus 2 is a phase rule. Okay, this is the part for liquid extraction. So what is the extraction? So two immiscible કમ્પોનન્ટ યાની કે સોલ્યુશન્સ જે બે કમ્પોનન્ટ ભેગા થશે નહીં અને એનું લેયર જોવા મળશે એન્ડ એડિંગ ધ સોલ્વન્ટ to find the efficiency. This is simply liquid extraction. So what is the crystallization? The crystallization is just simply solid liquid mixtures. For example, boric acid. And simply drying is a gas solid operation in general cases for removal of the moisture of component. Okay, this is a simply drying. So thank you so much. In the next lecture માં જોઈશું આપણે રેટ ઓફ માસ ટ્રાન્સફર. ઓકે, થેન્ક યુ.